How to fix a dialog box is open in your Outlook. So this error usually happens when there's active pop-up windows that Outlook is waiting on. So a few things to do fix this is to close these pop-up windows. So first of all, you can press escape a few times. So the ESC button on the top left of your keyboard. So it should just say ESC. Go ahead and press that a few times and try seeing if it closes up those pop outs. And if it makes you exit your Outlook, just maybe don't do that anymore. Another thing you can do is to press on Alt plus Tab, which is something like this. Alt plus Tab on your keyboard to see if there are any windows or hidden boxes like your Find and Replace tab or maybe your fonts. Make sure these kinds of tabs over here are closed, since as you can see, you can still open and use the email format while these tabs are open, so make sure those are closed. And one of the best ways to do this is to just exit your Outlook and try restarting the app itself by doing so and then opening up Outlook again. Or you could just restart Outlook completely by opening up your task manager. You could search for that on your device search bar, or you could just press on CTRL plus shift. I'm just gonna go ahead and type that in just in case. Shift and plus the ESC button, and we're gonna do that right now, which should just be something like this. And we have our task manager open. We are on Word, but we can go ahead to our processes over here on the left, and then we're gonna search for our Outlook, or you could just search for it here in the search bar and it should be here. We can expand the Outlook itself to see the open windows or pop-outs even, and just go ahead and press an end task. There are times where the pop-outs doesn't appear here, so you're gonna have to find it manually in your bottom tab of your device. But just go ahead and press on end task. You could even end task on the entire Microsoft Outlook. It won't do anything weird or bad. You can just reopen Outlook again later on. But those are a few things you can try. The error usually isn't this serious. It just means Outlook is waiting for you to respond to a pop out or a pop-up before allowing other actions. And once that window is closed, everything should just return to normal. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.